Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the ultimate guide for playing Call of Duty Warzone on your mobile device. In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on mobile. This official game brings the intense, large-scale battle royale action directly to your fingertips. You can experience epic battles with up to 120 players, featuring iconic maps like Verdansk. Plus, enjoy seamless cross-progression, linking your battle pass and friends list across all platforms. Get ready to drop in and dominate the battlefield. To begin your Warzone mobile journey, first make sure your device meets the necessary system requirements. Then, simply head over to your official app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. The download might be quite large, often several gigabytes, so a stable Wi-Fi connection is highly recommended for a smooth installation. Once downloaded, you're just a few steps away from the action. Once installed, launch the game. You'll need to either create a new Activision account or log in with your existing one to save your progress. Take some time to customize your controls and sensitivity settings. Finding what feels right for you is key to success. Don't skip the in-game tutorial, as it will quickly get you up to speed on movement and combat. For an even better experience, consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller. Now you're ready to jump into the action. Explore the different game modes, like the classic Battle Royale or the faster-paced Resurgence. Teamwork is crucial, so use the in-game voice chat to communicate with your squad and plan your moves. Remember to complete daily challenges and participate in events to earn valuable experience and unlock cool rewards. Experiment with different weapon loadouts and perks to find your winning combination and dominate the mobile battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.